The following technical support video will show you how to remove the MultiRIP GP direct-to-garment RIP software. The first thing you want to do is go to your Start button and to your Control panel. In the Control panel, you want to look for either the Add Remove Programs or Remove Software or even Programs, depending on what operating system you're running. In this case, it's referred to as Programs and Features. Double-click on that. Scroll down until you find the MultiRIP GP software. Click on it. Go up to the top and click Uninstall or Change. Although some of these instructions might look slightly different depending on whether you're running on XP or Vista, it's still the same process. When you click on the uninstall, it'll begin to open up the Install Shield wizard. When this window opens up, we want to click on the Remove button and click Next. It's going to ask us if we want to remove all of the components. You need to click OK. As a reminder, you should have all of the other programs shut down at the current time when you go through the removal process. If you have any of them open, it will prevent the removal from being successful. Once it removes, go ahead and click Finish. It'll now bring you back to the Programs Features folder. We're going to go back into the Control panel, and we're going to look for the Printers and Faxes folder when it comes up, or also known as the Printers folder. When we go inside that, we want to make sure we go in and remove any of the MRGP print queues that you have. One way to do it is to hold down the Control button, click on each individual print queue that has an MRGP associated with it. Depending on which ones you installed, the quantity of the ones that you'd be deleting can differ. Now that we've scrolled through the list, you also want to delete the accordion PowerRIP output queues. Once I have them all selected, I'll just go ahead and hit Delete and click Delete All. Now notice that PowerRIP output Q1, which I've selected Delete, has two jobs still left inside it. I purposely did that because I wanted to show you that it's not going to delete this printer. It's going to hold up. The way what you need to look at now is just right click over it and go Cancel All Documents. Go ahead and click Yes, and it will cancel the documents that are inside the output queue, and that will allow you then to delete those other queues. We'll scroll up, see if the other MRGP print queues are all gone, which they are. I'm going to go ahead and leave that window open for the time being. Click on my Start button and go to Computer. When I go into the computer, I'm going to go inside the C drive, or local hard disk drive, and I want to delete any folders that talk about MultiRIP GP and the PowerRIP hot folders and the PowerRIP layouts. So I'll highlight all of those and just go ahead and hit Delete. Yes. Once it begins to delete that process, I'll close that window. I want to go back into my printers window, and I need to make sure I delete all of the print drivers associated with it. To do this, I need to click on File, and if you're running Windows Vista, you must go through the Run as Administrator to the server properties. If you're using XP, you can go File and directly to the server properties. If you don't use the Run as Administrator and server properties in Vista, it will not delete the print drivers for you. When the print server properties opens up, click on the Drivers tab, and you'll scroll through the list, and you'll notice any of the items that have to do with MultiRIP GP or MRGP we're going to highlight, and we're just going to delete every one of those. We also are going to delete our PowerRIP output queues if they were listed in there. In this case, they're not. Click on the remove button. It's not going to ask us if we want to remove the driver only or the driver and the driver package. Click remove the driver and driver package and go ahead and hit OK. Click yes. It'll begin the process of removing everything. Hit delete. Everyone's removed. Go ahead and hit OK. Now we'll scroll through the list again just to make sure there's nothing else there, and there's not. We'll go ahead and hit close. At this point, what we can do is we can go ahead and shut down our computer. When we go to reboot the computer, you can go ahead and install the new version if that's what you're looking to do, and you'll be able to set everything up for your new install with the new build. If you have any questions, please go to www.multiripusers.com. Thank you.